Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing amazing. Today's video is going to be about me shifting my room, and I'm also going to give you a tour of my room, like the full tour. It's basically in the same building, like I was in 302 and now I moved to 301. But before I tell you everything and I show you my room, if you guys are new to my channel or if this is your very first time watching me, then I upload weekly videos, almost weekly videos on everyday vlogs, food, travel. Okay, I would say not travel because I haven't been traveling lately because of the COVID. I think that's all of us, but you get the idea. So if these are the contents that interest you, then do take a minute to hit the subscribe button and press the little bell icon next to it so you get notification every time I upload. So let's get started. जब से मैं दिल्ली आई हूँ यू गाइज, आई वॉज लिविंग इन अ पीजी लाइक आई मेंशन लास्ट टाइम. लाइक मैं गुड़गांव शिफ्ट हुई हूँ इन मार्च. मैं जिस पीजी में रह रही हूँ, आई लिव इन अ सिंगल रूम. हाउएवर दे डू नॉट हैव एनी प्रोविजंस टू कुक. Also, in the last room that I was living in, I will show you in a bit. That room was pretty dark, given the point कि एक shared space था कपड़े सुखाने के लिए, that was there, but then the problem with that was it was in share with another, like male like tenant who lives here, so we had a common space and I wasn't very comfortable going out. तो मैं वो दरवाज़ा भी नहीं खोल सकती थी and definitely मैं main दरवाज़ा भी नहीं खोल सकती थी because people walk up and down the stairs and it used to be like a closed room 24 hours. It was so congested and there was no sunlight whatsoever, and I kept telling my landlord, please अगर ये next वाला room, because this room you will see in a bit is so well lit. Like दिन में अगर मैं lights भी off कर दूँ, there is so much sunlight, and sunlight is so important for a person's mood and everything. It literally lifts up your spirit and also makes the whole vibe very positive, and for me it is very important to see sunlight and feel it. And मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है 24 घंटे बंद कमरों के अंदर रहना. I really wanted to show you while I was arranging my room, but then there was a power cut and it was so terribly hot that I literally could not bear with bothering with filming this whole thing. So I'm going to show you everything in details, like whatever I have set up. I still am expecting my stuff from UAE, so once that comes, of course my cupboard is going to be more full and I'll have to figure out space in my whole room where to fit, and I've got 6 boxes coming in. So don't think of this as a decor of the room. It's not. It's a basic room setup, and me quite literally striving to make this place livable. It is nothing compared to the rooms I have lived before, but with the loss of job and everything, I think this was the best that I could afford. So currently I'm living in Gurgaon, and for the price that I'm paying for this room in INR, it's around 8,000 plus electricity bill. I cannot complain. It's a fully furnished apartment, you will see now. And I think I'm quite blessed to have managed to find myself this place and a job that is helping me earn my living at this point. So yeah, I think I'm quite happy at where I am, especially with this new room. It's really nice. So go around and I'll see you in the end of the video. So guys, I was staying in this room. There's nothing wrong, okay, don't mind that. I'm actually shifting. So this was it. I'll show you what I don't like is when I switch off the lights, there's no way you can see anything. It's good for sleeping, but I did have a space here. This one is a shared space, and even if I open this, the room is still very dark. Hence, I requested my landlord, because if I open this door, this is actually the common passage and everybody can look inside, so I cannot open this one. Now I'm moving to the other room. I'll show you how it's different. It's just the next room. This is 301. So as of now there is no light. But the best part is, ta-da! And there you go. Natural light. I also have a small balcony, which I really like. And that's the reason I wanted to change this room. What I hate is this wall, but then it's still better than the other room. And I also have a separate kitchen space, which is good. I'm going to set this up. I was actually living in that room and then I moved to this one. This is 301. Let's get inside. I'm almost done setting it up. I'm sorry I could not, take you guys along with me while I was moving, because first I was all by myself and then there was a power cut. So everything seemed really hot and it was almost boiling. So I have a decent size of a cupboard which is still not set. I don't have much things here because my things are still on the way. I'm still expecting my cargo. It's my hair dryer, straightener, some bags, some flowers that were given to me as gifts. I put my glasses, watches here. My documents here. I'm not going to open this. This is basically my lingerie. Then I have my perfumes and smaller bags, my makeup, everything in this one. Below I have set some everyday wear clothes. I'll give you a proper tour of my cupboard once all my things are here. Now I am supposed to get dressing table here, which still is not given. Now this room was occupied by a gentleman. I don't know what he did with the walls. It's really dirty. But for the price in Gurgaon, I don't have anything to complain because I'm only paying 8,000 plus electricity, of course. The fridge is pretty decent. I put in some stuff as of now. I have my cheesecake, some sugar cane. I almost ordered a lot of things today which Swiggy delivered, but honestly guys, these people are so rude, I cannot tell you. I also keep my cosmetics inside the fridge, so my creams, lip balms, my lipsticks, masks. I really like it chilled. I even put my coffee inside the fridge, so it's like, it is away from moisture. And it's a very good idea to keep some electrolytes handy in this season. So I have 2 of those. That's pretty much it. Some vegetables, nothing fancy. Okay, I will also show you the washroom. It's nothing extravagant, it's just basic, but I made it livable, honestly. It's boiling, I just switched that on. The good thing is they have a water heater. Let's move to the bed. For now I just have a tiny fleece blanket. It suffices. I do have an AC. This is a window AC, and you know what, I quite like it because it's not straight on my face, because I suffer from migraine, so that way it doesn't cause me a headache. In here, sorry about that, I was actually trying to take this out. So these are my robes and some dupatta that I keep very close to me in case somebody just pops in. So I have my laptop, a scented candle. This was also a gift. I keep my acne medication handy always, my nail file, nail polish, remover, moisturizer, roll-on, hand cream, very important. I always apply this before I go to bed, and a few more. I also have my eye cream right here, and this needs to be installed. So that's for here. Below, okay, now this too was actually left by the guy who was living here before me. I'm going to do a review. I have ordered a few stuff and I'm really excited, so that is going to be the upcoming video, just so stay tuned. I have some medications here, actually quite a lot. I have my hot water bag. I like to keep it closed because I most of the times use it. I have this, but I ordered another one and I forgot the refill. So this is again my small first aid kit. Again, this was a bag I took from one of my friends. He works for Qatar and I just took it. I have my other toiletries there. So that is pretty much it. I still need to find space for a lot more things. This is my cabin bag. I put all my winter clothes away. this has a few of my things. Now moving to the kitchen, I have a RO. Excuse my sink. I've got 2 mugs. The biggest thing was that all this while I was only surviving on Swiggy, and most of the times it's always a fight because these guys, they don't want to come upstairs and deliver the food, and I live on the 4th floor. Don't blame me, I hate climbing stairs. We do not have a lift and elevator, so I ended up ordering induction and some utensils. Now the thing was that my cargo already has an induction, so I was a bit reluctant, but I don't know how long it's going to take, and I absolutely hate eating outside food, so I eventually ordered. I also ordered this cute little handi. We are Bengalis, we cannot eat rice without straining the starch, so that is that. I have these. I have one kadhai, I have a pan, I have one spatula like a ladle. If you want, you know what, I will actually leave the links of everything below. So these are all from Amazon. I'm so disappointed because I really love this piece, and you know, it looks like it's wood, but one of the handles, it came broken in pieces. Now the thing is, I can of course go ahead and return this, but then the whole set will have to go, and then I will have to continue starving. So I was like, it's fine, I will get it fixed later. Here, okay, let me show you this. This is quite interesting and I really love this. This was also from Amazon. I will find it. This is actually a set. It's a whole set. I have spoons, I have bowls of these, a plate. I cannot show you because it's not washed. It was a gift and I absolutely love it. So this one is foldable, okay, and that's the reason I like it. I cannot do it with one hand, so I'll just show you. So it's a silicone based water heater. You can always, you know, squeeze it up. So that's the full size, and then you can always squish it back. That's the reason I like it. It's quite portable and fits everywhere. Again, getting back to my mugs, you know what, I'll show you. I actually always use my tea bags twice, so I still have it here. But this one is a beautiful one. This is also again a gift. This reads My Happy Life from Joy of Your Heart. I got this one from Kolkata, from Garyahat, when I went there on a trip. And then I have another one. This is my favorite mug in the whole world. This was a gift as well. And this says Queen of Everything, so it's just perfect. So those are the 2 mugs I have. I love collecting mugs, and I have a few more, but that's still in the cargo. Now here I already had some stuff, and I got some grocery from Instamart, but those guys are, I swear to God, so terrible. Just got some basic spices in here, and I need to get containers for those. I'll get that with like, you know, eventually. I have some dates. I love dates. I also have some apricots in the refrigerator. Here I have my tea. This is rose green tea, and it's really amazing if you want to try. I have some tortilla. Oh, these are nachos, not tortillas. I have some banana chips, some Nutella, not Nutella, and then that. I still have a lot more things coming up, but let me quickly show you how I arranged this and assembled this. So I got a wooden chopping board. This is very nice. I really like this one. This is quite sturdy. I have used a lot of like, you know, wooden boards before, but none of them was close to this. It's very nice, and what I really like is that you have a grip in here, which is good. This one, apart from the pink one, of course, was a win-win. This didn't come with this box. It was just something I got. I have a kitchen scissor, and I've got 4 different kinds of knives. This one is a meat knife, 2 vegetable knives. Not sure if I said it right. And then we also have a fruit knife. This was a good one. I do not want to buy a lot of stuff because I might move at any given point of time, so I wanted to keep things very simple. So I had these boxes from Amazon, and I do believe in recycling, like over the years. So These are not from here, I just got them from the refrigerator because I'm going to use them for cooking right now. I put the potatoes, some onions, I have some garlics and ginger. I put them here along with oil. I have also ordered olive oil, but as a Bengali we cannot go without having mustard oil in our kitchen. That's a staple. And I have my rice here. I do not want to buy any containers for now, so this is doing the job. Here I also have my yoga mat. I do yoga at times, basically not yoga, I mostly do stretching. It has been a long day. I'm actually going to head to its cooking. I am thinking of making some rice with I don't know, I don't really have much. I probably just will boil some rice and potatoes, or just stir fry some rice with Szechuan sauce or whatever. I'll see. This brings us to the end of today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This room is so different compared to the ones that I was living before, but I think like with the current situation and everything, and of course because of a different job altogether, you know, we have to put things into perspective, and this was the best that I could make out of it. Nonetheless, I will keep posting more videos, so stay tuned. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family if you enjoyed it. And I cannot tell you how happy I am. I have earned myself a meal. Like, this is the first homemade meal that I'm going to eat after 2 months, guys. I cannot wait. So I'm going to jump right in. You stay tuned and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.